Hello student. In this session, we have to mainly discuss the method of preparation of alcohol. Before that session, we have to complete the basic information of alcohol phenol ether, then classification of alcohol, and then nomenclature of alcohol. In this session, we have to mainly discuss the method of preparation of alcohol. There are the different methods. The first one from alkyl halide, the second one from alkyl is a hydration, next one is a alkene, the fourth one is a carbonyl compound by using nickel, lithium aluminum hydride, and the last one using the Grignard reagent. Let us see the method of preparation of alcohol. The first one from alkyl halide. All of you know alkyl halide we have to represent it by Rx. When the haloalkane is a alkyl halide is heated with aqueous sodium or potassium hydroxide, then form the alcohol. Let us see the general reaction. Is a Rx is a alkyl halide, and when it is treated with is a aqueous solution of potassium hydroxide, and to form just the nucleophile X we have to replace by OH. The K and X we have to replace is a potassium halide, and plus ROH is a alcohol. We have to see the example of that. We have to put the value of the R and X. Is a CH3CH2Br, is a CH3 is a ethyl bromide, also we have to call as the bromoethane, which we have to discuss earlier chapter. And when it is heated with aqueous solution of KOH, then the Br nucleophile we have to replace by OH, therefore is a KBr and plus CH3CH2OH is a ethyl, and OH is a ethyl alcohol, is a ethanol. The second example, C6H5CH2Cl. C6H5 means benzene ring, and then H we have to replace by CH2Cl is a benzyl chloride, is a chlorophenyl methane. When it is treated is a KOH, and to form just Cl we have to replace by OH, is a KCl, and plus C6H5CH2OH is a benzyl alcohol. Means in this reaction we have to only remind the nucleophile atom halogen we have to replace by OH group. In the next reaction is a alkene, is a hydration of alkene. Hydration of alkene means there is a addition of a water molecule, but by using concentrated H2SO4. Alcohol can be produced from the alkene by their hydration by passing alkene through the concentrated H2SO4 and then hydrolysis with the boiling water and gives alcohol. Means first of all it is treated with the H2SO4 and then we have to treat it with the water. The first example is a CH2 double bond CH2 is a eth and En is a ethene, and when it is treated with the H2SO4 is a sulfuric acid. We have to, for your convenience, we have to write HOSO3H. H is a positive charge and OSO3H is a hydrogen sulfate, is a negative charge. Then OSO3H is a hydrogen sulfate, is attached to one carbon. Hydrogen atom is attached to one carbon, and the OSO3H is attached to the one carbon, and the compound it can be formed the CH3 CH2OSO3H double bond is converted into the single bond. जर दोन्ही डबल बॉन्डच्या आजूबाजूला जर ग्रुप अटॅच केले तर डबल बॉन्ड कन्वर्ट काय करायचं आपण सिंगल बॉन्डने करायचं. इज अ इथाइल हायड्रोजन सल्फेट, अँड फर्दर दिस इथाइल हायड्रोजन सल्फेट इज अ बॉइल्ड विथ water is a HOH, then OSO3H group and hydrogen they are the replace, and OSO3H we have to replace by OH is a H2SO4 plus CH3CH2OH is a ethyl alcohol. Okay, just we have to first of all at the double bond we have to add H2SO4, then we have to form the alkyl hydrogen sulfate, and further this alkyl hydrogen sulfate we have to treat it with the H2O and to form alcohol. We have to see the another example is a CH3 CH double bond CH2 is a propene, and the propene is treated with H2SO4 is a HOSO3H. Here the addition according to the Markovnikov's rule means negative part जो hydrogen sulfate OSO3H is attached to carbon carry lesser number of hydrogen atom in a alkyl. म्हणजे CH आणि CH2 जो डबल बॉन्डचे आहेत जिथे कमी हायड्रोजन आहे CH ला तिथे तो OSO3H लावायचा. म्हणजे तुम्हाला कसं दिसेल बघा, hydrogen is attached to CH2 and OSO3H is attached to the CH, and the compound it can be formed is a CH3 CH CH3 OSO3H. म्हणजे आपण काय केलं, CH ला काय लावला OSO3H आणि डबल बॉन्ड इज कन्व्हर्टेड इनटू द सिंगल बॉन्ड. आणि हा कोणता ग्रुप झाला, अल्किल ग्रुप, आयसोप्रोपाइल, म्हणून त्याला म्हणायचं आयसोप्रोपाइल हायड्रोजन सल्फेट. अँड फर्दर दिस आयसोप्रोपाइल हायड्रोजन सल्फेट इज treated with water and OSO3H we have to replace by OH group. म्हणजे H आणि OSO जे कंबाईन होतील, अगेन इट कॅन बी फॉर्म H2SO4 आणि प्लस CH3CH CH3OH. म्हणजेच काय याचं नाव आयसोप्रोपाइल अल्कोहोल प्रोपेन टू OL. H2SO4 is a king of chemical. Generally it is used as the dehydrating agent. त्याला dehydrating agent म्हणून त्याचा यूज करतो आपण. The reactions of alkene directly add a molecule of water in presence of mineral acid as a catalyst to form alcohol. Also we have to directly add the water into it. Here also the OH is attached to carbon and the H is attached to the CH3 group, and directly it can be formed is a tertiary butyl alcohol.